Welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. Thank you so much for completing 3000 subscribers on our channel. We are happy to have 3000 members in our family. If you want to learn how to use computer and Android using screen reader, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive updates. If you have any queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can support us by donating using thanks or join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Follow our social media handles like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X to receive regular updates and tech related articles. Happy learning! Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. Yes guys, today we are here with another announcement for you. Yes, today we are going to discuss about very important announcement for those who are interested to design websites or learn how to design websites, but you are having some problem to write the code, or you are not good in math. Even not only this, you are also looking for a lucrative skills that you can use to make money. Everything we'll be discussing today, and please keep watching this video till the end. I think 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes video. Everything we'll discuss in this video, so keep watching this video till the end. Guys, as you know, recently we have completed 3000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. And for that, we are going to start our next batch of WordPress with screen readers. Yes guys, this is one of our popular courses. Yes, one of our popular course, which is WordPress with screen readers. This course is especially for beginners, and in this course what you will learn. So let's see. In this course we will discuss about how to design a website using WordPress tool. What is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system which you can use to design websites for free, and this tool is free, and the best part, it's 100% accessible with screen readers. Yes guys, it's 100% accessible with screen readers. Sorry guys. So guys, we are going to start our next batch, which is maybe October-November batch. So everything we will discuss in this video, so hurry up and take the chance right now. Those who are having some problem understanding codes and other things, they can easily learn WordPress and build their own websites. Even you can utilize these skills to develop others' websites and start your own online web development business. Okay, so first let us discuss what we will learn. Okay, so words 40%, yes, up to 40%, 39 to 40% websites are created using this one of the most popular content management system, which is WordPress. And so that's why it's a good skill to learn. So we will learn the fundamentals of web development, which includes like HTTP, TLS, SSL, hosting, domain, everything we'll discuss about. Then we'll discuss about installation of WordPress, UI of WordPress, how to create pages, how to create posts, how to create comments, and many things we'll discuss. And the bonus part, which is the best part, we will discuss also how you can build one e-commerce website, yes, online shopping website for you, so that you can sell courses online, or you can sell any other products online. You will have your own website, or you can also build others' website and you can make money by utilizing your skills. Yes friends, this is 100% possible. I have created few projects and I really made some money and using these WordPress skills. So why not you? Yes, you can also do this, and we have already trained more than 15 participants. Yes, 15 participants we have trained in these skills, and they are successfully build their website. They are successfully building their websites. So if you've already taken this course, just comment down below, yes, I have taken, and share your experience with us. So before, this course was in the self-paced, which means once you buy, you need to do on your own. But friends, now this is a live training, which means I will be there with you and I will teach you how you can create websites within just 60 days. How many days? 60 days, which means 2 months. Believe me, I took 6 to 7 months to practice these skills and learn these skills, but I will give you everything what I know about WordPress within 60 days. What do you get? You get 2 hours of a week live lectures, which means 4 into like 16 hours of live trainings, along with my support, along with hands-on experience. All these things you will get. Not only this, after this you need to write the exam and you will get certificate from our organization, and this will be the last course, last batch of this 2024. The best part is, as it is a last batch, and very soon we have our 7th years of anniversary. Yes, 7th years of anniversary. So we are offering a discount. Yes, the course price is 2199. Yes, the course price is 2199. But right now you are going to get 30% discount, and the course price is now 1499 in Indian rupee. But friends, those who are interested to get additional discount, yes, I'm saying those who are interested to get additional discount, we will provide them some extra discount. But how you can get? For that, you need to be a subscriber of our channel, and what you do, you need to register for that course. And when after registration, you will be provided a group link at the submission page, and there just join that group. In that group we will post how to get additional discount. Yes, we have some additional discount for you guys, so don't worry that only 1499 is one only discount. You will get additional discount. So how much and how to get that, we will discuss in our WhatsApp group. We'll provide them in our WhatsApp group, so don't forget to join there after submission. Okay, so the class will be starting. I expect we can start the class from 16th onwards, 16th of October onwards. Okay, exact date, it is not the exact date. The final date will be again posted in that group. Again, I'm telling, the final date will be posted in that group. So those who are interested to learn WordPress, they can join the course. They must join the course. And if you have the PayPal account or credit card and debit card, you can definitely join outside of India. So please register right now. I will provide the link in the pinned comment. And remember, this is the last batch of this year, so maybe from the next year you won't get this course at this price point. So register today, hurry up, take the offer, grab the opportunity. Thank you so much.